what's going on, you and the two on another day. But I am doing, since I got this down, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and change the front sway bar. This is a Megan Racing.
Man, I still don't know. I think I told y'all on a different video that I was gonna let you guys know what thickness this is, but I still have yet to look it back up. I think it's either 22 millimeters or what. But anyway, I'll be doing an install on the front sway bar.
I guess what I'm gonna end up needing to do is I'm gonna need to break these bolts here, which are holding the sway bar down. No, this didn't come with lube or anything, so I should have busted this open and checked it out later. But by the way, it's a 25.4 millimeter one piece. It does have the 2 bushings, so, and it do have the torque specs on here as well, M8s, M10, M12, and M14. So first thing I'm gonna have to do, I can't remove both of these until I can get under here. I might be able to swivel something under there, but you know what, I'm just gonna kind of move this out the way, and then I'm gonna get to that back bolt. This side, oh, same thing with this side.
I'm just gonna kind of get them things out of here like that. Right here, no way. Alright, let's see how this works out. I think I got some more bolts to move. Thanks to be able to get this out of me.
I'm gonna need a bigger 14. I mean a bigger I need a 1/2 inch drive, because I'm about to use something. I end up breaking this thing. And this thing is on here, y'all. I done already tried that. I done already attempted trying to break this. So I'm gonna end up using some leverage here. And I'm gonna have to hold this. There it is. There we go, it broke it. Barely. Okay. I'm gonna do the other side. And I kind of asked myself earlier, I'm like, why don't you just get the impact? All right, anyway, going back to what I was doing. To even get to the sway bar, you just got to remove these bolts. It's 2 on, like I said, it's a 14 and a 19. Once you get those things removed, we can now access the back bolt under here. So I'm gonna get this situated, and yeah, I'll cut y'all back on.
All right, there. I kind of just picked it up and moved it to the back. Got some weight behind it too. Got some more weight behind it. All right, anyway. So once I got that done, you know what? Why not? Why not? You know, do a little quick spray. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and bust these down. All right, cool. That's a 14. Breaking.
I've already kind of had it lined up, making sure I'm putting it in the right way. Because I remember I did a cord rear sway bar, and my silly butt was trying to put it in like backwards. I don't know how the heck I was able to. I couldn't get it to fit, but that's not the point. Is I was trying to do it backwards. So to make sure you got it lined up.
Alright.
Get this stuff done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this off. Pull these. See if I can yank these caps off. Yeah. I'm just gonna set the cap exactly how I pulled it off. I'm gonna put it here on the side. Same thing with this side. Now what I do want to do as well is make sure that whatever way these things are facing, I want to put the new ones on like the exact same. So if it has the opening facing the front, I want this opening as well to face the front. So okay. All right, so to make sure that I'm gonna line my bushings up properly, I kind of want to just line up this old one to the new one, and right there where the marks is. Even though this sway bar does have like it has like this stopping thing built on it, so the bushing is going to have to go right here on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop me some of this grease. I'm gonna drop some grease in the center here. You know, I didn't really do any research on what I just knew that this. I'm gonna be honest. I just knew that this set was gonna come with some lube, but it didn't. That kind of threw me off because I'm just now opening it. I done ordered this thing weeks ago, and I didn't inventory it or nothing. I just went straight forward. Anyway, I'm not finna be a punk with this grease either. I'm gonna put some in there. Put plenty in there. All right, I'm gonna latch this side on first. Make sure y'all can see me. There it is. Do the same thing with this side. All right. All right, cool. Just make sure everything is good. Yep, that's the way it went. I ain't trying to mess this up. All right, put my caps back on. All right, so I mean, you know, I had to kind of pause and try to get this stuff to work, but because of the thickness of the new sway bar, I couldn't get this to fit. I couldn't get it to. It's too tall, you know, and I can't use the old one because the old one's kind of brittle. So I had to go to AutoZone, and I had to get some hardware. I did get the 10.9 class. It's an M10 1.25, so 25 millimeter. They had another one that was like, I think it was like, I don't know how many millimeters, but it was just entirely too close to the shorter one. The other one was like, yeah, like a little bit taller. So this should do it. There we go. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and just put these in. Now what I am gonna have to do still is kind of push down a little bit to get them started. Let me make sure they're good. They should be. Yep, good to go. And once I get these bolts bolted down, yeah, we'll move on to the next thing. All right, so here I have everything done. The only other thing I have to do is torque. Like I said, before you tighten them down, make sure you kind of tighten them down slowly, one by one, and then before you even get that side down, you have to do the same thing to this side so it won't be, tilted up. Anywho. So the torque for these bolts are 29 foot-pounds. I get that 25 foot-pounds. I'll get that 25. The same with this side. There it is. All right, y'all, that's it for the now that is it for the sway bar. All right, so yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I got that on. Only thing left to do is put my my steer rack back on top of the subframe. And after that, that's it. So appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll move on to the next task.